Hello student, in last class we have completed your complex number. Still you are having any doubt regarding the complex number, regarding any of the illustration, you can ask me personally. Now today I am going to start with the new chapter, that is linear inequalities. Linear equalities, that means normally we know equation form regarding one variable or two variable system. Now we will talk about the inequalities, means on right hand side and left hand side what the x relation or y relation is being written. They are interconnected by using lesser than, equal to, greater than, equal to sign. So such type of statement or expression are known as a inequalities form. As here we are going to talk about the linear equalities. Linear equalities, that means what the equation or what the statement we are going to be introduced here, these are carrying single power as a variable form, means no quadratic, no polynomial form we are having. So with the x power 1, with the y power 1, linear combinations are available. That's why these are known as linear inequalities. So this is the basic thing regarding the linear inequalities. Now how to make them sort out for different combination. Now in the beginning we are having solution of inequalities for restricted area. Restricted area, that means for given inequalities you will find out your solution, means value of x. In the beginning we will talk about single variable system and the constant evolution. So that solution regarding x variable will be under restricted area. That means you have to write the answer regarding the natural number set, regarding the integer set, or regarding the real number set. So accordingly your answer frame will be changed. So that is the method we have to follow in the beginning. Just for example, here I am going to write 1, 2 inequalities and solution regarding that, and then we will start with a particular form. Now here, instead of finding the solution regarding the x, here one more thing you have to use, that is presentation of a solution on a number line scale or graphical presentation. As in the set theory, or in one chapter we have introduced you about the interval form and its presentation, closed interval, closed and open interval combined form, and open interval we have discussed on a real line. So here also the solution of the inequality you will solve on a real line scale. Some of the inequality graphically you will present as per the sign greater than and less than available to you. So don't be confused, and here I request all of you to arrange a graph, because if real line scale you are going to use it to represent any of the solution, it can be represented in a normal knot form. But when you are going to represent inequalities with two variable, so at that time graph will be required. So please make arrangement of the graph, so it will be better understanding for you, and use pencil only to represent graphical solution of inequalities, because when more than one inequality you are going to be represent on one graph, somewhat area we want to be delete. So if you are using pen, it will be very difficult to manage for you that which area you have to keep as such, which area is to be removed. So please make it arrange. So let's start with the basic inequalities and its representation as a interval, as a set solution, or on a graph. So here first I am going to write a very small thing or very basic inequality. This is not the question available in your textbook, just for make you clear what the inequalities is and how it can be represented to a restricted area. So here suppose we take a one inequality as a 5x greater than 100. This is the inequality we are having, and for this we have to find out solution regarding x. Here solution regarding x we know as a set solution, so that we will describe afterwards. Now here what the method you will implement, first of all, if any of the constant is being written as a multiple form or as a divisor of x, make it separate, means anyhow we have to move in such a way that your x variable turn separate, then only we can write what the x will be. So here what we will do, both the side make division by 5, so easily your x will be separate. So on dividing, in the beginning I am writing the step, otherwise afterwards you can make it implement directly. So on dividing, both sides by 5. Anyhow x is to be separate out. So this will be your 5x upon 5 greater than 100 upon 5. This will give you x and this will give you 20. Means you can say your x is greater than 20. Now here we have to write the solution in a natural number. Natural number means obviously you will start with the number which is greater than 20. Means 21 onwards, whatever the solution here you are having, you will have over there. So, and if you are talking about the integers value, so accordingly it is to be right. And if you are talking about the real number set, so at that time open interval you will use. So if you are writing solution in your natural number set, so here we define set solution if x is natural number. Means answer you will write in a natural number greater than 20. So next to the 20, 21 it will come. Means 21 you can include as answer form. So this way you can write your answer form as a 21, 22 up to positive infinite. Or in an interval, if you are willing to write it, you can write it as 21 to positive infinite. So this way solution you can write it down. Secondly, the same solution if you are going to be defined as a set solution if x is a real number. If it is real number means greater than 20 and 21, many numbers are existing there. So here the set solution you will write is open interval 20 to positive infinite. So this way you can see presentation of the set solution, presentation of the answer will be changed as you are going to select the criteria regarding the x. So this way the answers are to be selected. This is the very basic thing I have discussed. Now one more example I would like to write for solution of the inequalities. Then we will start with the particular case. Just as an equation solution, you will consider the solution of the inequality. But while writing the answer form, take care of the sign, what it is greater than, what it is lesser than, and so on. Now here, suppose we take one example as a 4x plus 1 that is less than or equal to 9. This is a one inequality we are having. Okay. When inequality sign we are using with the equal sign in between the solution means that particular solution you will include as an answer form. Now, anyhow x is to be separate out, so first of all this one is to be removed here, and for that purpose both the side go for subtraction by 1. So that will be your 4x plus 1 minus 1, both the side the same property you will implement. Here 1 cancel, this is 4x. Dividing both the side by 4, anyhow this x is to be separate out. So this will be your x. 8 by 4 means 2. Means your x will come as a less than or equal to 2. Now here we are going to write the answer form less than or equal to 2. First of all, we think about the solution when x is being a natural number. Natural number we know start with the 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So which are the solution here? It will be include x is less than or equal to 1. So natural number set itself start with the 1. So answer will contain only 2 elements, that is 1 and 2. Whereas if you are talking about the natural number solution, all negative including these 2 will be included there. So let's try to understand how it is differ from both the solution types. So here we write first solution means set solution if x is a natural number. So when you are talking about the natural numbers that contain these many elements. So x is less than or equal to 2. That means these two elements you will include is the final answer form. So the set solution you will have as a 1 and 2. Second, set solution if x is a real number. If it is being a real number, that means this is a real scale. We normally have 0, 1, 2, 3, positive infinity, minus 2, like that. X is less than means this all the numbers we will include as a final answer form, including this 2. So here the answer you will write in form of the interval is open interval minus infinity to 2. It is a closed interval. So this way you can define your answer form. And this interval even you can write in a set solution form is or in a set form is this is minus infinity, this is minus 1, and including all in between 1 and 2. Here we have to stop. In between whatever the number we can include, all will be involved as a final answer form. So it is better you write this way when your x is being selected as a real number set. So this way, as per the criteria, you can define your x as a set solution form. So this way questions are to be attended as per the combination. Now one more thing, it may be asked that define your solution or represent your solution graphically. Here when you are talking about a linear combination, this type of combination known as linear combination means single answer form you are discussing here. So when you are talking about a linear combination, this way you have to represent your answer form. When you are having this equality sign, means at this particular number you will make a dark circle, otherwise you will make a whole circle. These are all the things I have discussed to you while I was introducing you close interval, open interval, like that. So here in detail also we will discuss about the representation when we will talk about a particular case. Now let's start with the exercise in which different type of combination you are having. Now we talk about some particular case. Let's move towards the exercise 6.1, in which second question we are going to solve. In the beginning all four questions are of the same category. So second I am going to start. Here we have to find out the solution for minus 12x greater than 30. Now first of all, make divide by 12 both the sides. Now here get it cancelled by 6. So this will give you minus 6. This is 5 upon 2. Means it is here 2.5. Now minus x, it is greater than 5 by 2. So this minus is also to be removed, and whenever you are going for removal of any of the minus sign on one side, this minus sign will be adjust over here, and in between whatever the sign you are having, that will also be invert. This is a theory regarding the inequalities. How it is so? Suppose we are having this 3 is greater than 2. Okay. Now, or you can say this 3 is greater than minus 2. It is better we take it. Now, when you implement negative sign on both the side, means when you are going to multiply both the side by the negative sign, what will you have? Minus 3, and this will turn to 2. Now, which number became greater? Obviously this 2. So in between the greater than sign, now it will be changed as a lesser than sign. So this is the theory everywhere. In case of x also we normally implement. So this way it is to be changed. If both the sides we are having negative sign and we are going to removal of this negative sign, at that time also in between sign you have to change. So this is the basic theory regarding the inequalities and negative sign. So here when you are going to multiply both the side by the negative sign, what will you have? This is x, this sign will be changed, minus 5 by 2, means x is less than minus 2.5. So for 2 solution you have to talk about. So what is it? First of all, we require set solution if x is an natural number. When x is a natural number, and here you see x is less than 2.5 with negative sign. So what will you have? If you are talking about a natural number, means compulsory you will start with the 1, not any of the negative number you are having, and it is less than that negative number. That means under this criteria solution is not possible to define. So here the set solution will be a null set. None of the element is coming under this criteria, because first thing is x is less than 2.5, means this is your minus 1, this is your minus 2, this is minus 3. So below this range you have to define your answer, and for natural number this is not possible in real practice. So this solution will be a null set. Now the second part is being asked that your x is an integer. Set solution if x is an integer. If x is being an integer value, so what it will be? In integer also, in between numbers we are not having as a solution form. So what will you have? Here your 2.5 with negative solution will write. Less than means you have to start with the minus 3 and end it at a minus infinity. So in a set solution form, its answer will be what? Minus infinity. From where we have to start? This is minus 4 and this is minus 3. So here only you have to stop. Now greater than this value you will not include over there, or in a set form if you are want to write this way, it can be defined as a answer form. So it will be far better that any of the answer you represent in a interval form. So easily it will be clear to you that which number you have to include, which number you have to exclude. So this way the answers are to be write it down. Now next we move towards the question number 4, in which almost same type of question is being discussed. Now in fourth one, your inequalities is available as a 3x plus 8 and it is greater than 2. Now here also for two cases, for integer and real solution, you will talk about the solution form. So first make it sort out. So first we will go for removal of this 8, means both the side have a subtraction by 8. So what are you getting here? 3x, and this is minus 6. Now here x is not containing any of the negative sign, so no need to make removal of the negative sign. If in any of the case x contain negative sign, so compulsory it should turn with the positive sign, and in that order you have to go for change of this sign and the sign of this number. Now both this side make it divided by 3. Anyhow this x is to be separate out. So what will you have? X is greater than minus 2. Now what are the solution we are having? As a range form, what are the restricted area when x is an integer? So here set solution if x is an integer. When x is an integer and x is greater than minus 2, means your answer will start with minus 1, as your real scale is having this many solutions: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus infinite. This is the integer we represent on a real scale. X is greater than minus 2, means next to the minus 2 your number will come as minus 1 up to positive solution. So it says set solution will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to positive answer form, or in a set form or in an interval form if you want to write it. This way your answer will come. Now the second we required, set solution when x is a real number. So here only one change you will have here regarding this minus 2. Solution if x is a real number. When you are talking about a real number, greater than minus 2 means just after this minus 2 somewhat decimal number will also be there. That is also included in answer form if you are talking about a real number set. So at that time only the presentation of your solution will be changed, as in an interval form we will like to introduce open interval minus 2 to positive infinite, means just above than minus 2 all the numbers you can include here. So that's why I suggest you try to write your answer form in a interval form, so easily you will also be clear, and when any of the teacher is going to be check your answer, she or he also will be cleared about your concept. So this way you will write your solution form. Now here it was the basic linear combination. Next from question number 5 to 16, for x real solution we have to find out the x solution with the different combination. Now in this type of question more than one term is being written as x form, so anyhow this x is to be separated out for a solution form. So let's move towards the next category in which quite complexity is developed regarding your linear inequality form. Now here we just look at question number 5. Step by step we are going to increase the difficulty level. This is your 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Here x is real. For this we have to find out the solution form. So one by one we are going to make a evaluation of the term. So here you see both the side x variable containing and both the side constant is containing. So here we are going to adjust your variable on one hand and constant on the another hand. So this 4x we are going to shift over there, whereas this 7 we are going to be shift over there. So this will be the transformation of your number. As a equation sign this is to be treated. only the solution you will write accordingly. Now here, this is your minus 4, this is x. So here you can say x is greater than minus 4. So this is the solution we are having as a final form, x is greater than minus 4. So it says solution you can write as x is greater than minus 4 means open interval minus 4 to positive infinite. You will have the solution regarding x. Now next we are going to move towards the question number 8. In 8th one, inequality is available as a 3, 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2, that is 1 minus x. So first of all, you can see on both the side outside the bracket constants are being written. So first of all, make multiplication by constant to the inside bracketed form. So here this is 6 minus 3x greater than equal to 2 minus 2x. Now here again, as the last question or in the last one, we have constant term keep on one hand and variable term keep on one hand. So this minus 3 you are shifting on that side and this 2 we are going to shift towards that side. So how it will be? 6 minus 2 and the sign of the respective term will be changed as normally we handle equation form minus 2 plus, plus 2 minus, like that. So here this minus 3x will turn to 3x, this minus 2x keep as such. This is your 4. So here you can see x is less than or equal to 4. So the answer again you will write in a real number set including this 4. So set solution for given inequality is x is less than or equal to 4. When you are talking about a real system, less than 4 means towards negative infinite you will move. So its answer will be minus infinite to 4, and here because of the equality sign this close interval you have to follow. So this way you can write your answer from. Now next we are going to move towards a question number 11. In 11th one, question is given as 3 x minus 2 upon 5 less than or equal to 5 2 minus 6 upon 3. So first of all, make removal of this 5 over here, make removal of this 3 over here. So here we will get a cross multiply with the 3 and this is by 5. As a normal equation form it is to be treated. Make them multiply. This is 9 x minus 2 25 make this two constant multiply inside the bracket, so that will be your 9x minus 18 25 into 2 50 minus 25x. Now again constant term shift towards one side and variable term shift towards one side. So here this 25 minus you shift towards this side and this 18 towards that side. So here it will be 9x plus 25x less than equal to 50 plus 18. Make them add 25 plus 9x will give you 34x. This is your 68. You can see this is 34 into 2. So both this side make it divide by 34. So x will come out as lesser than or equal to 2. So its set solution you can write as less than or equal to 2. That means what? At this 2 you will make a closed interval, and less than means minus infinity is your last boundary point. So minus infinity to 2 you will have the solution form. So this is the manner you have to follow to find out the solution for given inequalities. So till the next lecture, try to find out somewhat solution of a given inequalities in your exercise 6.1. Thank you.